In this video, I'm going to show you how to create cool photo effects like these ones right in Canva, all for free. So let's get into it. First app is called Paintify. So you want to go onto your apps, just click on apps like this and search for Paintify. This is the image I'll be using. Then I'm going to just search for Paintify. That is the name of the app. So this is the app. Let's get into the app details. It helps you transform your photos into stunning works of art. So let's see how this works. So upload an image or select one in your design. So I'm just going to select this one. And do note you have 5 credits per day. I have used one, so I have 4 left. So you click Paintify and you will give you some time to get your result. So this is the result that we have. Let me expand this so you can see the before and you can now see the after. See how cool this looks, right? Beautiful. To take this a step further, you can decide to remove the background. So let's do that. So you can also decide to change the background, remove the background, play around with the background. You can see how this is. So you have the freedom and the liberty to create and be as creative as you want. Second on the list is called Van Gogh It. So go onto apps and search Van Gogh It. Just like this, click on the option and let's see what this does. So let's go on to the app details. You can see this helps you get avatars inspired by Vincent van Gogh in his iconic style. So let's see the result from this. So again, upload your image or select one in your design. For this, I will just click on that one I want to use, then generate the result. You can see this result. It looks amazing. It is in the Vincent van Gogh style. This is his iconic style. You can see how nice it turned out. Next on the list is called Artvatar. So go onto your apps and search for Artvatar. There are different options available, but we are going to be using this first option. So let's see the app details. So this helps you make avatars artistic. So again, you can create lots of amazing and beautiful artistic painting style using this. So again, upload your image or select one. So we've selected this one and this is the result. This is, you can see how artistic this turned out to be. So let me expand this. So this is our result, the before and the after. To take this further, we can remove the background and then go to the edit like we did in the previous one and play around with the adjustments. So I just want to increase the saturation a bit for this one. Then I will increase the clarity to just like this and just basically play around the settings till I get the feel I'm looking to achieve. So I think I want to reduce the blacks a bit, go onto the contrast and reduce this. So I think, yeah, this is perfect. This is exactly what I'm trying to achieve. So you can also decide to play around the color and edit it and all of that. This is what we have. Apps is called the Artvatar app. This next option will help you make cartoons from your images. So go onto your apps and then search for cartoon. There are different options available. There's Cartoonify, Cartoon Filter, and the likes. So we're using the Cartoon Filter. Then with this, you have to upload an image or select one in your design. So I'm just going to select this and this will help you cartoonize your image. You can see that our image is now cartoonized. It has become a cartoon filtered image. So I'm just going to go to edit and play around with the adjustments. Just want to adjust a couple of things to suit what I want it to be. Last on the list, sketches your images. Go to apps and search for sketch. There are different options available. You can see them here. We'll be using photo to sketch. With this, you can adjust the filter strength. Let's see what we can get using the Sketchify app. And this is the result. You can see that this result is way darker than the photo to sketch result. Let me know your thoughts on these apps. Is this something you'll be trying out? If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe so you can see more Canva tutorials and practical ways to use Canva better.